The two models will come with a choice of 3 or 4-cylinder engines. U.S. customers interested in the 2025 Mini Cooper and Mini Cooper S will be offered a single power option, a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. Mini announced that the S variant will be good for 201 horsepower and 221 ft-lb of torque and says the diminutive car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. The brand will release details about the power specs of the standard Cooper closer to its launch later this year. Notably, the 2025 Mini and Mini Cooper S will be equipped with automatic transmissions only. A spokesperson confirmed the manufacturer won't offer a manual transmission option, which may be a disappointment to those who like to choose their own gears. You know the Mini Cooper, you love the Mini Cooper. The most recent generation was introduced way back in 2014, which made it one of the oldest cars on sale. But good news, there's an all-new Mini coming for 2025. When it arrives, it'll compete with other sporty enthusiast vehicles like the Mazda Miata as well as small hatchbacks in the realm of the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla. Perhaps the Mini's most natural competitor is the upcoming Fiat 500e. Desirable features. This new 2025 Mini Cooper signature features: signature trim, mooned sunroof, heated seats, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, heated steering, Bluetooth, connected drive services, fog lamps. This new 2025 Mini Cooper also sports a sleek zesty yellow exterior and a comfortable and spacious carbon black interior. Interior options. Refinement and quality are exemplified in this Mini Cooper with comfortable and convenient interior options that include moonroof, heated front seats, leather seats, automatic climate control, heated steering wheel, overhead console, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power moonroof, bucket seats, telescoping wheel, air conditioning, illuminated entry, center console, center armrest, split folding rear seat, tilt steering wheel, trip odometer, rear window defroster, vanity mirrors, reading lights. Exterior options. With an impressive presence, this 2025 Mini Cooper signature delivers confidence in its very appearance with exterior features including alloy wheels, color-matched bumpers, fog lights, rear fog lights, auto headlamp. Technology features. In this Mini Cooper, you have the latest Mini driving technology at your beck and call, keeping you connected and entertained. Our Mini dealership is proud to bring the latest advanced tech to our customers in Schaumburg, Arlington Heights, Bloomingdale, Elk Grove Village, Hoffman Estates, and Mount Prospect. You'll find thrilling features on this 2025 Mini Cooper, including steering wheel audio controls, active driving assistant, multi-zone climate control, keyless entry, Apple CarPlay capable, steering wheel controls, steering wheel cruise control, Sirius XM satellite radio, outside temperature gauge, Bluetooth connection, ambient lighting, USB ports. Mechanical features. Power meets efficiency during your daily commute in your new FWD 2025 Mini Cooper signature with the powerful 1.5L Dodge engine and smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. Other installed mechanical features include power windows, heated mirrors, power convertible top, power mirrors, traction control, cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, disc brakes, intermittent wipers, tachometer, trip computer, power steering, variable speed intermittent wipers. Safety options. You will find smarter safety features in the Mini Cooper to help you navigate the unexpected with safety features including rain-sensing windshield wipers, electronic stability control, backup camera, emergency communication system, brake assist, auto high beams, speed-sensitive steering, knee airbag, rollover protection. System, delay-off headlights, occupant sensing airbag, dual airbags, anti-lock brakes, front side airbags, passenger airbag sensor, auto-dimming RV mirror.